Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we break down the latest tech trends and updates. Today we're diving deep into iOS 18.1, Apple's newest software update, and exploring the top 10 biggest changes that are set to transform your iPhone experience. From enhanced privacy features to smarter Siri capabilities, there's a lot to unpack, so make sure you stick around till the end to catch all the details. Number 1. Enhanced Apple Intelligence. Kicking things off with our first major update, Enhanced Apple Intelligence. Apple is doubling down on its machine learning capabilities in iOS 18.1. Think of this as your iPhone becoming more intuitive and personalized than ever before. Your iPhone might suggest responses to messages, adjust notifications based on your habits, or even predict what app you'll open next, all before you even think about it. Let's break this down a bit more. For example, say you're texting a friend about meeting for lunch. Your iPhone could suggest a calendar event with the time and location already filled in, or even recommend nearby restaurants based on your past preferences. Or if you're commuting every day around the same time, it could automatically suggest directions to your most visited places, like your office or the gym. And the best part? It all happens on device, meaning your data stays private and secure. No more worrying about your sensitive information leaving your iPhone. Apple has managed to make these enhancements while keeping your privacy intact. Number 2. Smarter Notification Summaries. Next, we've got Smarter Notification Summaries. Apple has revamped how notifications work in iOS 18.1, and this is a game changer. Instead of being bombarded with notifications throughout the day, iOS now bundles non-urgent alerts and delivers them to you at pre-scheduled times. Think about it. Instead of getting distracted by every single notification, you get a tidy summary at a time that works best for you. Maybe it's all your social media notifications at lunchtime, and then news updates after work. You can even customize these summaries for each app. For example, keep important messages and emails coming in real time while grouping less critical ones for later. This means less distraction, less screen time, and more focus on what really matters. Plus, it gives you more control over your time and attention, which is perfect in our busy world. Number 3. Photos App Cleanup Tool. Coming in at number 3, the new cleanup tool in the Photos app. Ever taken a great photo only to notice a stranger photobombing in the background? Well, Apple's got your back with this new AI-driven tool that can seamlessly remove unwanted objects or people from your images. Here's how it works. Just select the object or person you want to remove, and the AI will fill in the background intelligently, making it look like they were never there. Imagine the possibilities. Cleaning up cluttered backgrounds, erasing photobombers, or even removing an unwanted shadow that ruins the perfect shot. It's like having Photoshop built right into your iPhone, but even easier to use. Just tap on what you want gone, and bam, clean photo perfection. This will save a lot of time for casual photographers and social media enthusiasts who want their photos to look just right without the hassle. Number 4. Expanded NFC access for developers. Number 4, and this one's exciting for all you app developers out there, expanded NFC access. With iOS 18.1, third-party apps can now tap into the iPhone's NFC chip. This opens up endless possibilities, from creating more immersive augmented reality experiences to simplifying payments and transit access. Imagine a future where your iPhone can do even more. Check in for flights, pay for your groceries, or even open your hotel room door, all with a simple tap. Developers can create apps that connect seamlessly with public transit systems, enable instant pairing with NFC-enabled devices, or even allow you to use your iPhone as a secure keycard. This expansion means that the boundaries of what you can do with your iPhone are wider than ever before, making it an even more integral part of your daily life. Number 5. Siri's Fresh Redesign. Midway through, we have number 5, a fresh new design for Siri. Apple's voice assistant gets a facelift with a more compact interface that doesn't take over your entire screen. Plus, Siri is now smarter and more context-aware. Let's say you're having a conversation with a friend about planning a weekend getaway. You can now ask Siri to suggest destinations, check the weather, and even book a hotel, all without interrupting your chat. Siri can also handle multi-step commands more effectively, like setting multiple reminders or composing and sending an email, all in one go. You can even use Siri offline for basic tasks like setting alarms or controlling music. This makes Siri more helpful in situations where you have limited or no internet access, like on an airplane or in a remote location. Number 6. Mail app gets an upgrade. Number 6, big news for those of you who live in your inbox. The Mail app gets a serious upgrade. New tools for organizing emails, smarter search features, and the ability to schedule emails to send later. Imagine the convenience of writing an email late at night and scheduling it to be sent during working hours the next day. The Mail app also introduces better categorization options, allowing you to filter and sort through emails more effectively. And here's a game changer: the ability to remind yourself to follow up on an email or revisit a message later. This is perfect for busy professionals who need to stay on top of their correspondence without missing any important follow-ups. Number 7, privacy enhancements. Number 7 is all about privacy, and Apple has gone all out with this one. With iOS 18.1, you have even more control over how your data is used. Enhanced app permissions, more transparency around tracking, and even more protections for your private information. For example, there are new indicators that show you when apps have accessed sensitive data like your location, camera, or microphone. Plus, you can view detailed reports on how apps use your data and adjust permissions accordingly. It's your data, and now you have the power to protect it. Apple is also introducing privacy labels for apps, making it easier for users to understand what data apps are collecting and how it's being used, so you can make informed choices about what you download and use. Number 8, Apple Maps gets a makeover. Coming in at number 8, Apple Maps gets a significant update. iOS 18.1 brings more detailed maps, improved lane guidance, and richer information about points of interest. Apple Maps now offers 3D landmarks, more accurate and detailed street information, and even AR walking directions in select cities. Imagine navigating through a complex city using augmented reality arrows that show you exactly where to go. This makes it easier than ever to explore new places, whether you're walking, driving, or taking public transport. You'll also find this especially helpful in cities where it gives real-time transit updates and suggestions for nearby attractions. Apple Maps is becoming more than just a navigation tool. It's your pocket travel guide. Number 9, CarPlay customization. Number 9, CarPlay gets more customizable than ever. With new wallpaper options, redesigned app interfaces, and more third-party app support, CarPlay is evolving to feel more like your personal command center on the road. CarPlay now offers enhanced integration with vehicle systems, so you can control even more of your car's features directly from the dashboard. Whether you're on a road trip or just heading to work, CarPlay now adapts to your needs better, from messaging to music and beyond. Think about how useful this could be: setting your preferred driving routes, customizing your display to show exactly what you need, and even integrating with your favorite third-party apps for a more tailored driving experience. Number 10, performance optimizations. And last, but definitely not least, number 10, performance optimizations. With every iOS update, Apple promises performance boosts, but this time, they're delivering something more substantial. iOS 18.1 brings better app launch speeds, smoother animations, and even more efficient battery usage. Your iPhone will feel faster and snappier, especially on older devices. So if you're still rocking an iPhone 12 or 13, you're going to notice a big difference. Apple has fine-tuned the system to reduce app launch times, optimize battery performance, and ensure that all these new features don't slow your device down. Even graphic-intensive tasks like gaming and video editing will benefit from these enhancements. And that's a wrap on the top 10 biggest changes in iOS 18.1. Apple has packed this update with so many cool new features that it's hard to pick a favorite. But what about you? Which feature are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tech insights and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and stay tech savvy. Until next time, take care and happy updating.